Want to create 3D text like this? Let's get started. First, import your photo or video into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound if your clip has audio. Next, add your text and customize it based on your preference. After that, right-click the text and select Create Compound Clip. Then go to the Effects menu. Search for Player 3 and drag it onto the compound clip. Now go to the Effect settings. Set Speed to maximum. Set Glow to 0. Set Texture to 0. Then change Rotate to 100. Next, add a keyframe when the text is fully visible. Then add another keyframe in the middle of the clip on the first keyframe. Set the scale to 200%. Then move the text to the left outside the frame on the next keyframe. Change the scale to 1%. Play the clip to see the result. And that's it. Your 3D text animation is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.